That just sucked. It sucked really, really bad. I hate this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really sad vlog that I'm not looking forward to at all. I'm currently at my house in LA and I'm waiting for Chad to come pick me up, and we're gonna head down to Orange County where Tara's having her going away dinner before she moves to Texas. So it's just gonna be like her close friends and family that are gonna be there, and it's gonna be my last time seeing her before she moves to Dallas. And I'm so sad. Like, I have the biggest pit in my stomach and I'm so scared. Like, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how it's gonna be. I just know that it's gonna be really sad. So, of course I'm gonna document it. I'm gonna take you guys along because you guys have been a part of our journey for a while. So pray for me. Pray for me. I'm literally gonna start crying right now, and I don't want to because I just spent so long doing my makeup. Anyways, we're gonna head out there and I will see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Real quick, this is my outfit that I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this oversized, sorry. I'm wearing this oversized crew neck. This is from H&M in the men's section, actually. It's just a black crew neck, long sleeve, and then I have these over the knee boots. I will link in the description, and just some gold jewelry and some hoops, and that's it. Just super simple and casual but still cute. So I gotta hurry up and go. I love you. I'll see you there. Hi, baby.
This is slower. Yeah, I'm a pro vlog.
Hello.
I just want to hug you.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready?
So yummy. How's that food? I'm so hungry.
Right? Got a lot of cheese in here.
Hey, I'm gonna separate you guys if you can't listen.
Did you miss me?
I missed you so much. It hurts. It actually hurts. You see the veins?
Yeah. Look at this
It's
nugget.
full of milk.
Leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side, are you ready?
Who are you gonna miss the most?
Yeah.
Me? I'm gonna miss you the most.
Can hold us.
Careful.
Oh, nothing.
Hey, careful, babe.
God's down.
Jump, big jump, big jump. Good job. You got skill, sister.
Tuesday, because I'm.
Hey.
Yeah, I know Thursday. You want a Notre Dame shirt?
No, it's just Santa Monica.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come here.
I'm sorry.
I love you.
They won by 10.
And your new baby sibling.
Wait, what time are you leaving? Morning or night?
I'm gonna miss you so much.
It's like, Thursday? At 10:30 in the morning. Okay. I'll probably pick up your car early morning Thursday. What time are you looking Thursday? Okay, I'll get it. I'll fit it.
Have we gotten you guys saying bye yet? Oh. Don't even go there?
This is fucked up.
Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come. Many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. And if we fail, we just reboot.
I can't get out of here. You have to go. It's okay. I'm still trying. So much. Seriously, it's saving her. One of the best things besides me. Seriously, so happy for you guys.
Thanks for being at the bar over there. Appreciate it.
Taking care of proud of you guys. Hi guys, I'm home from dinner with Tara and her family. It was so incredibly rough, like one of the hardest things I've had to do in so long, and I'm gonna try really hard not to cry right now because my eyes hurt so bad and I just don't want to get emotional again, but it was so freaking hard. She has been my best friend for 15 years and she's like my sister. We've gone through so much of like life together, and we've been through like the worst times and the best times and like just grown up together, and she's my longest friend. She's the longest friend that I've ever had in my entire life. And saying goodbye to the girls and Adam was absolutely heartbreaking as well, especially Bailey. It just broke my heart. It broke my heart to say bye to her and like know that like I'm not gonna be able to like see her as often or like watch her grow up, and I just don't want her to forget me. And Shay, and then the new baby. Don't get me wrong, I'm so freaking proud of her and Adam, and I know it's a good thing for their family, and I'm really happy for them, but I'm also really heartbroken. I feel like my heart has been like ripped out of my chest, and like I have a pit in my stomach, and I just don't feel like it's real. It was just really emotional. She's just my best friend and like a huge part of my heart, and it's gonna be really hard not having her here. I don't know like how I'm gonna like recover from this. I know I'm gonna visit her. I know our friendship is strong and like it's not ever gonna go away. It's just gonna be really hard for me, and that's just part of growing up and you know, starting her family, and that's her family. That's her family now. And Tara, I love you so much. I'm so proud of you, and I'm excited for you and your family and your future. I cherish our friendship so much. I've never, ever had a friend like you, and you will never be replaceable. And by far one of the best moms that I've ever witnessed in my entire life. Take care of my girls and give them lots of love for me. I'm really excited for your move. I'm praying for you guys and safe travels. I'll miss the shit out of you, but I love you always, and I love you guys, and thanks for watching this vlog. I honestly don't know what else to say right now. I'm just gonna go, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys.
We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti.